Okay, I could not decide what I wanted for dinner, so I ordered from 2 different places because I wanted noodles really bad, but then I also wanted sushi. So we have a lot here. Okay, we'll start with the yellowtail jalapeno. Okay, next, this is really random of me, but I got a beet salad. It's like beet, spinach, avocado, tomato. Okay, albacore, crispy onion. This looks so good. Spicy shrimp crispy rice. This has been my new obsession instead of spicy tuna. So good. Okay, I ordered way too much food. I don't know what to do with myself. Okay, I want this piece. Scallop sushi. My order today was random. This is not stuff I usually order. I just felt like trying something different. What is this? Okay, spicy salmon hand roll. Actually, it's not spicy. I don't know why I said that. Oh my god. Okay, Toro. And they gave me this on the side. I don't know if I'm supposed to like put it in a little bit for each bite. That's wasabi. Okay. I almost just choked. My favorite, baked crab hand roll. Perfection. This is like crap. I think I just finished the new season of Selling Sunset and I didn't realize. Okay, yaki udon. I love udon noodles so much. I don't know why. This is like my comfort food.